Welcome! Today, we're diving into a handy feature of Google Chrome that many users may not fully utilize, searching your browsing history. With the latest update, it's easier than ever to find those elusive pages you visited in the past. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by double-clicking the Chrome icon on your desktop or selecting it from your taskbar. Once you're in, you're ready to begin. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots, often referred to as the More menu. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu filled with options. From this menu, click on History. This action will take you to a submenu where you can see your recent history at a glance. For a more detailed view, click on History again. This will open up a new tab displaying all the websites you've visited recently. Now that you're on the History page, you'll notice a search icon at the top right of this page. Click on the search icon. This is where the magic happens. You can now type in any keywords related to the website you're trying to find. Whether it's a specific topic or a phrase you remember from the page, just type it in and hit enter. As you type, Chrome will filter your history and display results that match your query. This makes it incredibly easy to locate that article you read weeks ago, or that video you watched but forgot to bookmark. In summary, searching your history in Google Chrome is a straightforward process. Open Chrome, click on the three dots, select History twice, and then use the search icon to find what you need. With these steps, you'll be able to navigate your past browsing easily and efficiently. So next time you're looking for something you've seen before but can't quite recall where it was, remember these simple steps. Happy browsing!